In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs V3 to produce expressive audio speech. We'll start from a simple web search and end with a lively, emotionally rich voice clip you can play back immediately. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and press enter. From the results, click the official ElevenLabs website so you're taken to their home or app interface. This keeps things straightforward and ensures you're using the correct platform. Once you're on the site, find and click Text to Speech. This opens the workspace where you'll write your script and choose the voice model. You're in the right place when you can see a large text box for your prompt and options to pick a model. Now let's build a great prompt. The key to expressive audio is guiding the model with clear emotional cues. Place short direction tags and square brackets before the words you want to stylize. For example, you can write, laughing. You won't believe this. Watch what I can do now. Curious. Oh boy, here we go. Cute tone. Hi, welcome back. Snorts. Why do you sound like that? Dramatic exhale. Okay, fine. Now serious mode. Mock serious. Wow, such intensity. Strong French accent. Ah, mon ami, allow me to demonstrate pure elegance, laughing hysterically. Stop. Why is that actually so good? Keep your sentences natural, use punctuation to signal pauses, and avoid stacking too many cues at once. Think of these tags as stage directions for the voice. Next, in the model selector, choose the 11v3 Alpha model. This version is designed for richer prosody and stronger emotional range, so it's ideal for the expressive cues you just added. If you see multiple versions, pick the one labeled V3 to take advantage of its enhanced expressiveness. When your prompt looks good and the model is selected, click Generate Speech. The system will process your text and produce an audio clip. Give it a moment to render. When it's ready, play it back and listen for how the emotions, pacing, and emphasis match your instructions. If something sounds off, maybe a laugh runs too long or a tone feels flat, fine-tune your brackets or punctuation and generate again. Small edits usually make a big difference. And that's it. You searched for ElevenLabs, opened text-to-speech, crafted an expressive prompt with bracketed cues, selected the 11v3 model, and generated your speech. Follow these steps and you'll consistently produce clear, dynamic audio that feels alive and intentional.